Hello there, beautiful people. You want to know how to fix the Shopify inventory not stocked at this location? That's exactly what I'm about to show you, and it's very, very easy. Without any more talking, let's just get to it. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously access Shopify dashboard. If you are in Shopify dashboard, on the left panel right here, click on products. Let me access one product, for example, this one. So this one, if I select the location, warehouse, Haven warehouse, and I click on the variants in here, so I can adjust the inventory, it will tell me inventory not stocked at this location for all the variants. So how can I fix this? It's driving me crazy. That's very easy. Second thing we're going to do is on the left panel again below products, you will see inventory. Click on inventory and it will open up this page, and now click on this check mark to select all the products. However, it will not select all the products, only 50. Click on this select all in the store. So it will select all the products in the store are selected. Now on the right side, you will see bulk edit. Click on it and it will open up this page, which is a CSV file style with all the products in it. Now on the right here, you will see this columns beside the save button. Simply click on it, scroll down to locations, this one quantity by location, and make sure you enable your location in here, this one right here, and check it out. It says not stocked, and this is the source of my problem. So what I'm gonna do is basically add the quantity in here. Simply double click on it and I will show you a pro tip so you can adjust all these at once. You don't have to do it manually for each one. So double click on it and it will show you this option right here, stock at this location. Enable it, it will show 0. Let's just do 4. So what if I want let's just do 4. Okay, so what if I want all these products to be updated by 4 units each for this location? So I don't have to do it, click here, do 4, click here, do 4. It will take me forever. Easy. Click on this first one that you did edit, click on this blue square in here and drag, boom, all 4. So you can do that for all the products, and all of them, they will be adjusted, and the issue of inventory not stocked for this location is fixed. And congrats. If you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.